Hello everyone, this is Harshit Batra.
And myself through Sehgal, and we are going to tell you about Quick Fix.
This is our IMS project which works on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, MySQL, and PHP. This is our front page of our website, Quick Fix, which provides on-demand services like computer services, carpenting services, car washing, electrician, plumbing services, and laundry services. In order to book your service, you have to create your account. You have to go to sign up. In this page, you have to enter your details. First of all, username. I entered it's B99960. Email, mobile number, password. Click on the sign me up button. You
And you can see we are successfully registered.
click on the OK,
And you will be added to the home.
and this is your account in which you have the now new
You also
option.
have booking the service, and you can also change your account information.
For booking, click on the book now, select your service, any vehicle service, electrician, plumber, computer, and their subtype. So I select computer repair service, address, and the time for suitable time for which you want to call us. Time and the date in the same format. And click on the book service.
Now you will be asked to whether you will have to confirm it or you will refill it,
This also shows the expected cost. The for charges may you
which you may expect.
so confirm.
Let's
So to
confirm it.
confirm your booking, click on the confirm button. So I click on the confirm button.
And you are redirected back to the home. Now you can also change your information.
Click on the book now. Here your change info button.
And you can see your current name and current phone number. You can also change your password.
So if you want to change, so I want to change my phone number. So click on enter your new phone number and click on the submit.
And you can see that the new phone number has been sent to okay portal.
Similarly, you can change your password, change your email ID. For
Now to go back to home, you can click on symbol.
these are the services. If you want to check our previous reviews or the services which are we are providing, the feedbacks of our customer, click on the computer, the image. These are the charges. If you want to review our service, click on the stars. Or if you want to post your comment, you can post your comment. These are the previous comments posted by our customers. Very good service is nice. Click on the submit. and your comment
Uh-huh.
will be published. So go to your homepage of your account. These are the charges. Thank you.